Hi, my name is Soren, and I'm going to be telling you guys what KYVL is. KYVL stands for Kentucky Virtual Library, and what you can do there is read books online and use other resources too. To get there, all you have to do is search up kyvl.org, or you can go to a different tab and click on the waffle on Chrome. You can click on the waffle over here and click on the icon that says KYVL. To sign in, all you have to have is a Gmail or email that's signed in Chrome. And if you don't have a Gmail or email, you can talk to your librarian about it, and you can use the one at the library, or they'll fix it. Some of the drop-down options, there's a lot of drop-down options for college and adults, for K-12 students, for librarians, but the ones I need are for middle school and middle school only, because I'm in middle school. What they have Novelist, and Novelist is basically something you can read books on. You can look at their genres that they have, or some books that's on the main page, or you can search for a specific book. Britannica is something that you can look at for essays or projects that you have. It has articles, biographies, videos, and a lot of things about history. If you want to learn something about history or what's going on in the world right now, you can look at it, or you can just use it for essays and stuff like that. They also have something called career preparation. What career preparation is, where you can learn about other careers, and you can prepare for career exams, and yeah. You can learn about other careers, you can learn about a career that you might want to be in the future. Yeah. And there's so much more resources that they have, but those are all I'd basically use, and there are so much more that would be very useful, and I would definitely recommend using this. Thank you.